Hey guys, before we start, please like and subscribe, then press the notification bell button for more videos. You will be updated. Sudden acne breakouts can be a nightmare for anyone. You wake up in the morning only to find out that you get all those pimples appearing on your face overnight. You panicked, and you will try to clear all those pimples frantically without thinking whether what you are doing is good for your skin or not. It is in this type of situation that you need to calm yourself down. Calming yourself while assessing your situation is the wisest thing to do. Before taking any action to deal with the sudden acne breakouts, you need to determine whether it is the right thing to do, as well as the consequences that you will get later. Here are 3 best tips to deal with sudden acne breakouts. 1. Stop eating foods that accumulate toxins in your body. Most of the time, the sudden acne breakouts that you experience happen because you ate too much toxic foods in the past few days. Moreover, you didn't expel the toxins from body via digestive system, so the toxins end up manifesting on your skin as acne breakouts. This is something that you need to be aware of. In order to stop the acne breakouts that you have on your face, you need to stop eating junk foods and foods that can worsen your skin problems, such as red meats, dairy products, coffee, chocolates, and other processed foods. Start eating more vegetables and fruits in the next few days, and make sure to expel your bowels every day in order to throw away the toxins out of your body. 2. Relax your mind and don't succumb to anxiety. Next, you must not panic. You must not get stressed, anxious, and depressed because of this condition. You have to keep your mind calm and understand that you need some time to deal with the problem that you have right now. Anxious and stressful mind will only aggravate the acne condition and spread the breakouts on other areas of your face. So, keep your mind calm. Do some relaxation exercises such as yoga and meditation. Or, you can book a massage session with the local therapists around you. It will help you to remain calm and collected. This is important because the pimples can get bigger if you cannot calm yourself down. 3. Change your actions on a daily basis. Start changing your actions on a daily basis, which means that you need to change your lifestyle completely. If you don't have enough sleep before, you need to start having more sleep today. If you keep eating junk foods before, you should start eating fewer meals and add more vegetables and fruits on your menu. If you don't care about your environment's cleanliness, you need to start cleaning your environment regularly. It is also important for you to maintain a healthy lifestyle by exercising regularly and keeping your body hydrated. It can be too much of a work for you, but you need to take the time to gradually change your lifestyle so that you can prevent further acne breakouts in the future. If you follow these tips consistently, your current acne breakouts will subside, and your skin will gradually be cleared from those pimples. Don't forget to subscribe. Do you have any suggestion? Please comments below.